Do you like cup noodles? The brand Cup Noodles? Japan's famous cup noodles? Well, today I'm going to the Cup Noodle Museum in Ikeda. It's very close to Mino. I'm going there with Jessica and Cherry, who have been in some of my old Kiwi in Japan videos, and also Cherry's mom. Cherry's mom's visiting from New Zealand, so we're all gonna go together, see the famous Cup Noodle Museum and see all the cup noodles. I'm excited. We're Jessica. Hello. Damn it, we're on the wrong side. We have to get across. Reunited at last. Now we're on our way to Ikeda. Here we are in Ikeda, and I've never been to Ikeda before, so this is very exciting. Just gonna walk straight to the Cup Museum, Cup Noodle Museum, and then see what happens. Ooh, yes. Cookie. Mini special cookie recommendation from Cherry. It's just like a normal biscuit. It smells really tasty. Oh, that's so soft. Wow. There's like little filling inside. Mmm. Chocolate and fruit, maybe. We almost walked straight past. Here we go. Oh, cute. Vending machine of the spicy chicken. Wow, dude. This is exciting. There's so much history to the cup noodles. It's free admission. You can get them for free, but making your own cup is what you pay for. So most people do. Oh, holy cow! That is a lot of cup noodles, man. Wow. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh! Vending machine of cup noodle. Is it real? The Nissan logo kind of looks like Pepsi.
It does.
Cup noodles in space. The special miso. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Cup noodle in space. All of the different designs over the years. The 2000s all the way. Wow, it's all on the roof as well. Tons of archive cup noodle. Wow, we can make our own cup noodle and it's only 300 yen. Oh no. Oh no. What a long way. I don't know. Karimasen. So we buy the cup and then we start making it over there. Oh, I'll get that one. Yep, this one. Bingo bongo. We have our cup. Custom cup. My Cup Noodles factory. Jessica and I have been split up. We're going to a special table where we can draw a logo. Okay, what am I gonna draw? I'm gonna draw me, I guess, a picture of me. I'm gonna color in the cup noodle color. Okay, I colored it in. Now, on the back with the date there, I'm gonna draw me and a kiwi. Whoa, that's so good! Wow! This is like what you can choose the broth and choose the ingredients. I'm definitely going for the curry broth. It's my favorite, the classic. I'm all finished with my cup, and I'm ready to line up and purchase. Let go, Cherry. Yes! Well done! Wow. Kiwi in Japan! It's almost our turn. Yes! Yay! Wow! There's our cups. Getting all the fillings. There he goes. Dory. There goes my hero. There he goes. Way.
Oh, it's really warm.
My hush puppy. Yeah.
It's really hot.
Whoa, it is hot. There he is. It's a video. Hi guys, we finished our cup. These special bags to pump them up. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do my one now. Wow, dude. Yay. Yeah! Hit bag! It's looking so good. accessory or shade. And that was Ikeda's Cup Noodle Museum. Now we're off to go and get Starbucks. I'm getting this one. Yum. Color of those beans though. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's good. And I think that's probably going to be the end of the video. So thanks for watching Kiwi in Japan, guys. See you in the next video.